Hey, Scruffy. I didn't see you. I was worried you might do a no-show tonight. So I'm about 10 minutes early, but I'm thinking maybe you're thinking that's late now, so that's why you're taking off. You're quiet tonight. Well, I have your meaty pate. No, actually, no, it's hearty cuts with real chicken and beef, kibble, and I put a little bit of chicken skin in there. But I'm saving the rest of the chicken skin and bone for tomorrow. I think I'm hearing some tapping. I wonder if it's starting to rain. I'm gonna have to take in that scratcher. It's raining. Okay, well, I'm gonna bring out the food. Okay. Yeah, I hear tapping. That sounds like rain. I think it was supposed to rain. The sun was supposed to come out. You're blocking my path, Scruffy. Okay, I'm gonna try to walk past you. Get the food on the table. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take in that scratcher. I think it doesn't look like it's raining hard, so. So the sun didn't really come out today. There was a brief period where it was strong enough to get through the clouds, but it never really fully emerged. And it was supposed to warm up, but it still hasn't warmed up. It's cold again today. Oops. You didn't like being tapped on the shoulder blades there. So I was told tapping on the shoulder blades while coughing might help, but Scruffy doesn't seem to like that. Like a lot of things Scruffy doesn't like. Just another cough. So, yeah, it's raining. So the sun, yeah, didn't warm up the day, so it was cold all day. And yeah, not having a great day. So I had trouble sleeping last night. I think I finally fell asleep at sunrise. I was actually debating if I should just get up or keep trying to sleep, so I did finally get to sleep around sunrise. Got up mid-late morning, so I didn't get a full night's sleep. Had a headache all day, too. It actually wasn't feeling so great about an hour ago. Not sure why. It's just probably not enough sleep. But yeah, I'm not sure how to describe it, but yeah, just not feeling so good. I don't know, maybe could be low blood sugar, could be stress, lack of sleep, I don't know. Could be the headache. But yeah, it kind of went away. It's on its own. So it's low blood sugar. I don't know. So it's dinner time, so I need to eat. Wow, it's starting to come down harder. So I think the scratcher is just partly under the overhang, so I don't think it's being soaked yet. But yeah, I need to move that. Anyway, just to be on the safe side. I'll probably do that when he starts eating. But yeah, wow. It's starting to come down hard. I'm going to have to speak louder. So we don't normally get rain like this. No, we don't normally get rain. That's why we're always in drought. So I did go for a walk late this afternoon, but it was so late I only was able to do one lap. And my leg was actually kind of bothering me today, so I was actually debating if I should go at all. And I kind of compromised, and I think I'll just do one lap. But I think, yeah, another thing that's crossing my head is, yeah, maybe because I wasn't feeling well. Maybe it's because, yeah, I'm falling out of shape and not getting enough cardio. Because, yeah, the walking doesn't really push my heart rate. Okay, well, Scruffy's pretty calm right now, so it's a little early, but I think I'm going to give him his food early. I actually got to do chores tonight. Behind, since I woke up late. Oh, I guess this means I don't need to water the garden. If it rains enough, anyway. So yeah, I think I might have to water the garden today. Oh, you meowed. Does that mean you want food? Okay, let's get your food. Okay. There's your food. I'll brush you first, and then I'll move the scratcher. Your tail's all tangled, but you're not sticking up your tail, so I can't brush it. So I think he just pulled the skin out of the bowl. Just trying to avoid the brush. Almost done. Yeah, he's definitely trying to avoid me. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I'm gonna move the scratcher so it gets soaked. Actually, I think it was in the okay area, but we'll reset it just for the heck of it. And yeah, he didn't like me moving over there. There's a lot of food left. You must have spilled some on the mat. So yeah, I was actually thinking of water maybe today, tomorrow, or the next day. But yeah, I've been busy, so today and tomorrow I think are bad. And then because I'm backlogged now, I'm even thinking the day after might not be great. Well, depending on when I go grocery shopping. But yeah, if it rains, that saves me some time. Because it was supposed to heat up and be sunny and clear, not rainy. But I guess I don't mind. We need the rain pretty bad. Still haven't turned on my furnace because it keeps saying it's going to get warmer. It's actually cold this morning. I was really tempted to turn it on. It's really cold in the middle of the night. And then I think it was about sunrise when I was debating on whether I should try to keep sleeping or get up. And I thought, well, maybe if I turn on the heat. But then I was like, well, it's sunrise. What's the point? It's going to heat up in the house naturally. So if I was to do it, I should have did it last night. But then, yeah, it never actually did heat up in the house, so so I could have turned it on. Oh well. Saved me a few cents or dollars. I don't know how much the energy costs now. It's kind of ridiculous. So when I had my AC replaced and furnace replaced, because yeah, the AC went out last year at the peak of the heat wave. And that's when we had the really bad air quality, so I couldn't even open the windows. That was awful. And then I think the furnace went out. Yeah, the furnace went out. Yeah, because it fried. Yeah, the repair guy was actually saying he was lucky I didn't burn down the house. So when I noticed there was a problem and the furnace wasn't shutting off by itself, I cut the circuit breaker, turned it off, and yeah, he was saying that was a good move. Because yeah, there was fried wiring and char in the unit when he inspected it. So anyway, yeah, I needed a whole new system. And yeah, it was like a year ago. But yeah, I briefly looked into heat pumps instead of a traditional AC and furnace. Because I read, at least for certain regions, yeah, heat pumps can be more energy efficient. And it may be true for my region as well. But yeah, talking with a few different people who gave me estimates on a new unit, they said, yeah, the big problem is basically because I'm using gas. Basically, they'd have to put in a brand new electrical line, high voltage one, and that would be very expensive. And then I live in a region where, yeah, the energy rates are ridiculous, don't reflect any sense of a free market. And so we overpay for everything, but there's like massive distortions in like the rates. So like our electricity, I think, is like way more expensive than our gas. That may change in the future, but it's completely at the whim of politicians. It doesn't have anything to do with economics. So actually another reason moving is not necessarily a bad idea, even though I don't really want to move. But yeah, keep turning the screws to me here. So basically, they've robbed me of my livelihood and punishing me for staying by increasing my cost of living constantly. So my savings only go so far. So it looks like Scruffy's done. And actually, it sounds like the rain's starting to let up. Good timing on his part. And Scruffy has it all planned out. He's probably going to go visit his secret family now and get them a meal. And I'm a little disappointed that, yeah, Scruffy was all scared of me when I was moving the scratcher. But yeah, I came out to feed him, or sorry, bring out his water today, and he did manage to completely ignore me. He's sleeping out in the far corner. Near the step, and when I came out, yeah, he didn't barely acknowledge me, and I think he went right back to sleep. So anyway, I think Scruffy's done. The only reason he hasn't completely taken off is because it's raining. So I think I'm going to call it here. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.